Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll tell you how to make Harry Potter magic wand. I got a request on Telegram to please make a Harry Potter magic wand. So today we'll make that. And for that I need 2 straws, a scissor and some tape. So I have cut in this portion from this straw. And I have also put it this cut. So with this cut, I'll take the upper portion and fold it like this, and then like this. And now I'll paste it to tape. You can also use Fevicol or any other like glue gun. Okay, but it's looking a little bit small, so what I'll do is I had the straw portion down the one, so from the side which is a little bit twisted, we'll cut that off, and then from the center put the scissors in like this and then cut it. Like this and cut it. Center it's not cutting. What can you do is cut it to half from where till it's cutting. If your is not cutting into the center like me, so you can do this. Okay, so it will be really difficult to cut straw. So my this straw is ready. It's good only. But before, what I'll do is take the other one and to make it big, you can choose your size yourself. Of the straw you can choose, and now I'll cut it. This is this one, so I can just press it like this, then fold it, and then easily it will go in like this. Now it's big, so let's better but awesome. So it's a little bit bigger now, so I'll take some tape. Okay, so this is now, and you can see that I'm playing it, but it's not coming out, so it's permanently fixed. Actually, not permanently. So now what I'll do is take this other piece of straw which was left, and then now fold this. Put it inside. and if you all know from Indian, just take scissor and from center put some cuts. Now to come in. If I just did this to make it a little bit thicker, so then we'll cut it now. And how much I can paste, I will paste. So now all left over that will straw, you will paste it. Now whatever of straw I had left, I'll paste it over here. So now what I need is some cardboard pieces, 4 of the same size and 1 of the different, and you can size yourself. But I'll also give you a size suggestion in the description box. You can also use that size. Wrapping the cardboard pieces, I will take tape and maybe 4 square pieces and 1 big rectangle piece. You can, as I told you before, of the square piece like that also in the rectangle piece also. You can take just size yourself how much bigger is your straw and which sizes I use. I'll also send you the link of straws sizes which I use, and you can cut them to any size. Depends on you. So now I pasted some tape on this so that it doesn't come out. Now I need the cardboard pieces. So should I tell you the size in the description box, or should I write them on the pieces? I think I should write them on the pieces. So let's see the pieces. Cardboard piece length is 4 cm and this cardboard piece width is 2 cm. So I have cut it for 3 pieces like this, and now I'll my magic wand, and then I'll wrap like this. I have wrapped, but you can see it's falling down. So what I'll do is take 2 pieces of tape, apply one like this, and you also join my Telegram group. Over there you'll get all the video links. You can give me some suggestion and I'll make them. Like somebody just said me to please make this Harry Potter wand, so I got one Harry Potter elder wand. And I also forgot to tell you that this is Harry Potter's elder wand. So you must be thinking that what is this? But when it will be ready, it will look amazing. Should I show you how it looks? So first I'll wrap and then show you how it looks when it's ready. first two because I left so much gap. So I'll do with two, but you can do with three or four. And now the second last thing is to use some tissue. So before using the tissue, I'll tell you another trick of using tissue paper in the crafts. So first what you have to do is take a bowl and put some water and some Fevicol in it, and then you can mix it. And then when you mix the tissue, the Fevicol and water mixture, it will taste really nice. But don't apply this on paper. So I don't want to waste my last piece. So third one. So what I'll do is I'll roll it and then what the cardboard waste was left, I only left 2 pieces of cardboard. And don't use boards cardboard because that is thinner one. So it will not give it the shape which we want to give. Harry Potter Magic Wand basic structure is ready. So now should I show you the whole ready wand? Okay, I think I should. But not this one. We'll still make this wand. But first I will show you when this wand will be ready. How will it look like? So the Harry Potter Magic Wand looks like this. So isn't this looking amazing? Expecto Patronum! Normal Maxima! Okay, so now we'll move on to the basic structure of the wand. How to make that bowl in, put some Fevicol and water and mix it up. So now we'll use that. Okay, so now you can see that I cut some tissue paper and put it in this Fevicol mixture and I applied on this. Like now I'm showing you how to do it. So take this tissue paper, trash it, push it in, put it in this, then take it out, then over here you can roll it like this. Now I need another tissue paper and crush it and push it in this, and now I'll wrap it in this, and now the basic structure of the painting of this wand is ready. So now I'll take the brown paint and now I'll paint it over here.
Okay, so it's now going to be over. Okay, so now almost the wand is ready. And if there are gaps like this, you can take more tissue paper and fill up the gaps, or press it like this and fill them up. Okay, so now I've done the painting of my magic wand. Now what I need to do is put some cling film in it. Okay, so now I'll wait for 1 hour for it to dry, and then I'll put some cling film on it. If you don't have cling film, you can wrap it with tape also, or any other plastic wrap.
Okay, so now my wand, Harry Potter wand, is ready, and it is really hard because of paper mache. We can also made it without paper mache. I made my old wand without paper mache, which I showed you, but it is made with paper mache, so it's really hard. And you can also put cling film if you don't have Fevicol. You can also, or if you have Fevicol but you forgot to do paper mache, so when you paint, you can put some Fevicol in your paint and mix it and then paint. Otherwise, it will come on my hands. And if you put cling film or any plastic wrap, something like that, then also it will not come on your hands. Expecto Patronum, Domum Maxima. And I said you that it will take 1 hour, but it didn't dry in 1 hour. It dried in 1 day. So I showed you after 1 day, and now our magic wand is ready. So if you like today's video, like, share, and subscribe my channel and this video, and press the bell icon for new updates of my videos. And join my telegram group. Like, somebody gave me the idea to make Harry Potter's magic wand, so I told you how to make Harry Potter's magic wand. So I can also try your ideas and tell you how to make them. So join my telegram group. If you have not joined, I have also made a video of that, and that video's link is in the description box given below. So like, share, and subscribe. Bye.